Make sure your coolant is at the right health, right concentration, right pH, everything. So mixer is critical. Hi everyone, Justin Geach here with Master Fluid Solutions. Today I'm in Pensacola, Florida, visiting Adam Booth, also known as Abom79 at his beautiful new machine shop.
A Hydro Blend mixing unit right here. We've got it properly plumbed in. I have a hose reel up here that it's piped into so I can pull this to the machine.
Okay.
And it works fantastic. I absolutely love it.
It makes one of those tasks just so much easier.
Yeah.
Where a venturi mixer mixes on water pressure and viscosity, this mixes on volume.
Okay.
So much more accurate because you're filling a chamber with water, you're drawing in a set amount of coolant. That never changes no matter what your incoming water pressure is. If someone opens a valve on the other side of the shop, it wouldn't happen.
Yeah.
So the way this works is water would come in, it drives a water piston out, and then this piston here draws coolant. So depending on the length of this draw is how much coolant concentrate you're getting in.
Yeah.
And this is adjustable. In this case, there's a lot of different models, but this one is from 1 to 10%.
And it's over here on this side, and that's what you taught me originally, is how to set this closely.
Yeah.
But you still have to check it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. So in this case, what you're doing when you adjust it is you're adjusting the length of a draw.
Yeah.
So how much coolant it draws up on every stroke.
Mm-hmm.
So in this case, the nice thing with this and how you have this set up here is the outlet doesn't matter because it's volume.
Yeah.
So in this case, you can plumb, you can't see that in there, but he has it plumbed to a hose reel, which can reach all of his machines.
Yeah, so we have a Real Craft hose reel up here. You can hear it up top, and then I just have this other valve set up, so I can put this in the sump of the machine, and then I can either turn this on or I can turn the ball valve here on, and then just let it fill up.
Machines,
Yep. It's a very convenient way to fill the sump up.
Yeah, and again, I can't stress it enough. Concentration control is your most important factor in coolant management. And if you want to run between, let's just say 7 to 10% in your machine, typically your makeup, what you continually top the machine off at, is going to be in that 2 to 3 range.
Yeah.
So when you set it, let's say you set it at 2%, and that works for your machine. If you get any variation, and all of a sudden your mixer is putting out 3 when you want it to be at 2, it's not just a 1% difference, it's 50%.
Yeah.
So the majority of your coolant spend comes from your coolant makeup, which is your ongoing daily top off.
Yeah.
So that's why it's so important, and a mixer can save you a ton of money, and make sure your coolant is at the right health, right concentration, right pH, everything. So mixer is critical.